Hi there, I'm Dr. Tingle, and I see we have you in today for an EFT tapping therapy session. EFT is an emotional freedom technique that comprises tapping on the meridian points around your face to help you relax, calm yourself, overcome some anxiety and fear, and help you refocus and center your mind. When doing an EFT session, we identify a problem, a fear, or an anxiety. We then rate that problem on a scale of 1 to 10 and come up with a phrase to help us overcome it. So, for example, if today, because I have ADHD, and even though I have good routines and systems in place to help myself, that executive dysfunction does dysfunction. Sometimes you just have one of those days. So maybe I'll do a tapping and go, I know my executive dysfunction was off today, but I accept that, and tomorrow I will try and have a better outlook on the day. Just something simple, something positive, and something self-affirming. If you are using this kind of therapy to just help relax and de-stress, you don't even have to come up with a phrase or identify a problem. You can use the simple motions and repetitive technique to just relax and help stimulate parts of the body and calm that central nervous system, which can be extremely helpful for people with sensory issues, overstimulation problems, or ADHD. Alright, so I'm going to show you what the meridian points are that we will be tapping on today. Alright, so to begin, we start with the hand, and we start right here on the side. This is sometimes identified as the sore spot or the KC spot, right there. And then we go from a top-down position. Some folks start at the top of the head, but most will start at the eyebrow, then the side around the temple here of the eye, under the eye, under the nose, under the lip here, on the collarbone, under the armpit, and then to the top of the head. If you don't start at the top of the head, you can also add in the fingertips, if that's something that you like to incorporate. But again, when using this technique for simple stress relief or to just help kind of recenter or refocus your mind, or for myself, I like to use this when my brain is just not working and I can't recall some information, I will work through a tapping sequence, and that will usually help jog things free. So I'm going to start by just showing you how this is going to work on myself, and then we will begin the therapy session on you. When doing the tapping, we use 2 fingers to increase the surface area. And normally you can do this 5 to 7 times in each spot. When you're doing this kind of exercise for overcoming an anxiety or fear, you want to repeat it twice. If you're doing this just to help calm and center yourself, just keep repeating it until you feel a little bit better. Alright, so I'm going to show you how we do this here. I prefer to start at the top of the head myself. So we're going to go to the top of the head, and as I said, 5 to 7 times. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just like that. And then we go to the eyebrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Side of the eye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then under the eye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The lip. And the chin, to the armpit, or the collarbone, I should say. 6, 7, and the armpit. 1, 2, 3, when I'm just trying to think, I like to do the fingers, because if I'm just sitting at my desk and trying to think and contemplate something, I can just sit there and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Simple as that, okay? So, are you ready to begin? Okay. So since we have you here tonight to help you relax and try to sleep, I want you to identify anything that you might want to get off your chest, overcome. You don't have to tell me at all. You can keep that to yourself if you like while I'm doing the tapping therapy on you. And as I said, while I'm tapping on you, you're going to repeat that phrase to yourself a few times over. 2 to 3 times, okay? Alright, so, are you ready? And if you like, you can close those eyes while we tap away. Alright, so we're going to start top of that down, okay? Okay, so here we go. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Eyebrow. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Side of the eye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Under the eye. 1. Under the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Under the chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your collarbone. 4, 5, 6, 7. The armpit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now your fingers, starting with the pinky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so that's one cycle through the tapping. How'd that feel? It can take a little getting used to, but I think you will overall find this a very, very useful and helpful technique to help calm yourself, center your mind, and help ease and relax those thoughts. So, we're going to go for round 2. Alright, and I'm going to probably rotate different sides of your face, and we will also do one where we do it simultaneously. So again, you can close those eyes, and here we go. Top of the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. And eyebrow, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, you can go ahead and open your eyes now. How you doing? How you feeling? A little bit calmer, a little bit more relaxed, just kind of finding a little bit of ease at the moment. Okay, good. And that's what we want to see. Okay, so I'm going to do another round on you. This time I'm going to do it on simultaneous points, okay? So again, we're going to start with the top of the head here. So just hold still for me. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. How are you feeling now? A little bit better. Okay. So why don't we take a few deep breaths, right? We're going to go in and then out. Good. In one more time. And then out again. Good, good, good. And in one more time. Then out again. Good job. Alright, so why don't we have you try it on yourself a little bit this time. You can follow along with me, and we're going to do 5 taps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each meridian point, okay? Okay, so just follow along with me. Let's start at the top. And you ready? 1, 2, 3, 5. Good. Eyebrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Side of the eye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Under the eye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Under the chin here. Inner ear. Now, down to your collarbone here. Good. And your armpit. Good. Now your fingers. Good. 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 See, it's nice. It's easy to remember. You just go top, down, from the top, down, top, down, top, down. But as I said, if you are just doing this to relax or just trying to study or maybe just trying to concentrate, trying to recall some information, one of the things that I find helpful is what I like to call just doing the triangle here. So I'll do this. And I just get into a little rhythm. And then sometimes if I'm really having trouble, I will just sometimes you can just do it in one spot if you want. Sometimes I'll do this. It's really whatever makes you feel a little more relaxed. So why don't we try a little of the triangle of trifecta, I call it. So we'll just, ready, and there we go. Do another side here, and alright, so just relax a little bit. Let's do a little breathing again. We're just going to breathe into our nose and out through the mouth. Good. Into the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Good. Alright, and since we're trying to get you to relax so that you can get to sleep, 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 I have found, along with doing the EFT tapping, that doing just individual finger tapping while I'm trying to sleep can help prevent my mind from wandering. Because ADHD people, the hyperactivity, it's not just physical, but it can also be a hyperactivity of the mind, which can be racing thoughts, running thoughts, going off on tangents, info dumping, spirals of anxiety, doom spirals, all those kinds of things can be associated with hyperactivity. So, giving your body physically something to do can help to distract the mind while letting you focus on what you are trying to do, which is one of the greatest things about the EFT tapping, is that it can help you refocus, center, relax, de-stress, and overall help ground you. So as I said, in bed I will do a little tapping, but I will also do a little bit of the fingers, especially if my legs are feeling restless, because sometimes you just get those muscle shivers at night and you want to kind of just squirm in bed, but you need to relax and sleep and keep that body still and keep the mind calm, calm, calm. ADHD people do not have very good sleep patterns or habits, so it is helpful to find little tips, tricks, and helpful habits to help you have not only a good night's sleep, but a restful night's sleep, and making sure your mind is calm is part of that. So I want you to just lay back, relax, and just close those eyes, and we're gonna just do some more tapping on you. So here we go. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're your fingers. 3, 4, 5. And we can just keep running the cycle until you fall asleep, unless you would like me to just gently work on your facial meridian points, which we can absolutely do. So let's just you're doing great. You can just relax. And just don't worry about a thing. Let your mind just drift, wander, and relax. There's no need to worry. Now we're just going to tune the top of your head a little bit, because that can help really center you. So here we go. And we can also slow down the tempo a little bit, but not too much, because again, it's meant to keep us kind of stimulated a little bit, but not hyperstimulated. So we will just Alright, so one more time, we're going to do a little breathing. We're going to breathe in just slowly through the nose. And then out through the mouth. Good. And again, in slowly through the nose. And out through the mouth. One more time, in through the nose. And out through the mouth. Good. Now I want you to just close those eyes, close those eyes, close those eyes. And we're just going to do a little more tapping. Alright. So, here we go. And if you fall asleep, that's okay. Just remember, you can use this technique anytime, anywhere, any place. You can do it all in your head. And if you don't want to physically tap, you can do it as a mental exercise. Alright, well, that concludes today's tapping therapy. And as I said, you can use that technique anytime, any place, for any problem that you have, or to help refocus your mind, or just help you relax before bed. But I see we have you on for another technique therapy session soon, so make sure that you check your calendar and set your notification for that, and we will see you again soon. Have a great night. Remember to hydrate and sleep well. Bye-bye.